Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. So let me begin with the secret code. Let's tap on the dialer, tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way to check it. So we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And as you can see, actually on the very first section we've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and above it we've got the serial number of this device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.